Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Aralia. I'm super excited to have you here. If you are new to my channel, I am an avid fashion and beauty lover who is over the age of 50. My videos on my channel center around how to style yourself for work, life, and whatever falls in between. Essentially, how to live your best life after 50. I post on Sundays and Thursdays. If you are interested in this type of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. Today's video is going to be my 2019 vision board, and I'm going to talk you through a little bit how to set up a vision board if you've never done it before. I want to go through the things that I have set up. My previous video, New Year's resolutions, how to achieve your goals. In that video, I mentioned that I would go through my goals specifically in this particular video. So we are going to talk a little bit about the goals that I have set for myself and how I translated those goals into imagery for a vision board. So if you're not familiar with what a vision board is, it is essentially a set of images that convey or that represent what your goals are, what your aspirations are, and it's to help you to visualize what it is that you want in order to help make it happen. I know that a lot of people may scoff at the idea of manifestation. Me, personally, I believe in manifestation. I think that through visualization, you can achieve certain things in your life. There is a lot of power behind the human brain, I believe. And there is also a power outside of us. It's the universe, as some people will call it. If you have an aspiration for something, if you put that thought out, or if you even verbally put it out into the world, it will at some point manifest itself. Vision boards are a way to kind of channel that energy and give you a visual representation of what it is exactly that you want to achieve in your life. There are a lot of podcast books, things like that out there that talk about the ability to create the life that you want. Whether you call it manifestation, whether you call it willpower, whether you call it God, whatever it is that you want to call it, it is a way to really hone your thoughts in and focus on what it is that you want. There are a few things that you need to do in advance of vision boarding. You should already have your goals either written down or very well formulated in your own mind. When it comes to manifestation and putting energy out, you need to make sure that you are laser specific, and that's why assigning SMART goals to whatever you're putting on your vision board is essential, because you've essentially put a set of parameters around your goals that now you are putting down into a visual medium that you can reference throughout the year. This is the way I go through and create a vision board. I go through Pinterest, I go through Instagram, the interweb, wherever you want. Some people have magazines that they use. I just go online and I use Pinterest and the internet to help me come up with the images that I want. I screenshot them and then I print them and put them onto my board. Find imagery that resonates with what you're aspiring for. If you want to travel more, say for instance you want to go to Paris, then start looking for pictures to put onto your vision board that are of the Eiffel Tower, or that are of like bistros, or whatever it is that you're looking for, the Louvre, whatever you want from, your trip to Paris. You're setting in motion planning for that trip. You just take these images, you print them up, you cut them out, and then you arrange them. Now, when you do your vision board, you want to make sure that you arrange your vision board into sections. And usually the way I arrange my vision board is into the categories for my goals. You've got health and wellness, you've got finance, you've got career, personal growth, travel, whatever the case may be, whatever your goals for the year are, you want to go ahead and set up your vision board and divide it up into those categories. So let me go ahead and start going through what I have on my vision board. All right, so the first category on my vision board is my health and wellness category. And I've taken all of these images from Pinterest, just things that motivate me, things that will get me to work out. I've got an image of the Peloton bike, which if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my Insta stories about me getting one of those. Then I have stuff around my YouTube channel, my 10K big goal for the year, I guess, and then just some motivational quotes around what I want to do with my channel, with my social media, how I want to be as an influencer, and then love being a badass, always want to be a badass, and I always want to be prepared when success finds its way to me. And then just some of the abundance and wealth imagery that I have. I've got my Gucci Marmot because one of these days I'd like to do a deal with Gucci. I want to show Pard watch, just being a boss chick and dressing like a very chic boss chick. And then Sophia Loren because she has aged so wonderfully and I aspire to age like her. These images represent the 3 goals that I have set for myself in this next year and beyond. The top priority for me is I want to focus on my health and wellness. I want to focus on establishing 2 critical habits. I want to start working out 5 times a week, and I want to get back onto the keto diet, which I follow. And so those are 2 key activities or habits that I want to develop so that way I can be healthy. I can be, active. I don't necessarily have to put weight loss down as a goal, because if I can create these 2 habits, then that's taken care of. The second goal that I have is around my finances. I want to be able to save 10% of my annual income next year. That's one of the goals that I have set for myself, and I've got a couple of activities underneath that will help me to achieve that goal. I'm not going to go into it because it's my personal finance, and I love you, but I don't think I'm ready to share quite that much about myself here on the internet. The third goal is around, I don't want to call it my career, because again, my career goals, those are between me and my managers at work. I don't want to share them here on YouTube. Again, love you, but I don't want to throw that out onto the internet, so that remains private. However, my side hustle, which is YouTube, that I will share with you. I want to grow my channel. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. If I can swing it, I would love to hit 10K by the end of the year. Don't know if that's going to happen. That's fine by me. I'm going to shoot for 1,000, even though 10K is right now my big milestone that tells me, yeah, this is for real. We're moving, we're going, we're doing this. And alongside that is growing my Instagram. I didn't include it on my vision board just because I didn't have time to pull together an Instagram image. But if you noticed on my vision board, there is blank space. If you have blank space on your vision board, don't panic. Those are the spaces where you can add things as things evolve over the year. I like leaving those blank spaces because it allows me the opportunity to add as I go, because priorities will change throughout the year. Once I've gotten my goals in the SMART goal format, then I put them onto this vision board because it gives it extra energy to actually make it happen. Even if you don't believe in manifestation, just looking at it every single day will help you to continually think about what it is that you want, and you continue to work toward that. It stays at the top of mind when you have a vision board. Hang this in a prominent place in your bedroom, your office, wherever you want, where you can see it every day. I've got my vision board on my phone. I've got it on my tablet. I have it on my laptop. I have my vision board everywhere because I look at my phone, my tablet, and my laptop on a daily basis, especially my phone, because this I carry with me everywhere. And anytime I look at my phone, I'm looking at my vision board. Even though I'm not actively looking at it and studying it, subconsciously I see it and I see everything that's on it. And that helps to continually reinforce what it is I want to accomplish. I'm a big believer in this. I'm a big believer in constantly having this in front of you so that way you're constantly being reminded about what it is that you set out to do, so that you can make sure that you go out and do it, whether it is putting it out there for the universe to do or you actively going out to do it. Whatever the case may be, it's getting done. Even athletes visualize success. They go through visualization exercises. They visualize themselves winning games. Multimillionaires visualize the things that they want. Sometimes they put them down on a vision board. Sometimes they put it down in a PowerPoint roadmap. Whatever the case may be, I believe that thoughts create things. And if you can think it, if you can dream it, if you can imagine it, you can make it happen. All right, everybody, I'm gonna get off my soapbox now. Happy vision boarding. Happy New Year. This video is actually going up a couple of days after the New Year, but I am shooting this on New Year's Eve. I'm wishing you a very safe, prosperous, and happy 2019. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Really would appreciate it. And I think that's all I have for you guys today. So thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye.